In 2 minutes, learn 2 exercises to lose your belly fat. Now, there are no more excuses that you don't have time, so that's why you can't lose your belly fat. I'm sure you have 2 minutes of your precious time to do these 2 simple exercises to finally get rid of your belly fat and get a slim waist. So many people who've joined my weight loss program often have the same query, how to lose our belly fat area, because this area is the most important problem area of so many people. It just doesn't give a good impression. You don't feel confident, and also they don't get time to exercise. So how are they supposed to lose this fat, which is so stubborn that years have passed by but they've still not been able to achieve a slim waist? I tell them to do these 2 simple exercises. Slow and steady wins the race, but these exercises are the ultimate. These exercises, if done consistently, persistently, on a daily basis, is sure to give you results. And I'm here as a living proof. What do you think? Isn't this waist slim enough now? I used to be really overweight, but now I also have achieved a slim waist finally, because these exercises, they work on these very muscles. The tightening and toning of these muscles will actually help you achieve even inch loss and weight loss accordingly. So if you want to achieve those results, just like many people who have joined my weight loss program, then why don't we see these exercises together and try to do it together on a daily basis? Enough said. I'm sure you're motivated enough. Come on in the comment section and quickly write what you feel right now. Do you feel motivated? Do you want to get rid of your belly fat and you finally want to fit into your favorite pair of jeans? Come right into my comment section and let's make a commitment. Now let's move on further. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Let's see how to do these very exercises. The first rule of any exercise is you have to warm up your body before you exercise, because we do need that flexibility. We want all our joints and all our body parts to be functioning properly while doing those exercises properly. So let's do a simple warm up. You have to stand straight with your feet about 1 foot apart, and you have to turn sideways like this. Lift your leg. Now this warm up is going to ensure that there is movement and you will be flexible enough to be able to do the exercise that I'm about to teach you. Try and twist your upper body as properly as you can to one side, to the other. Lift your knee, the elbows, turn them around. We need to wake up the body to be able to feel the strength exercises that we're going to do now for tightening and toning of our abdominal muscles. Well done, you have completed a minute. So the first exercise that I'm going to show you, for that you have to keep your feet more than your shoulder width apart, just like this. Keep your core tight, because that's the target area, so you're not going to keep your core loose. The second thing you need to do is you have to practice this very exercise, which is being a hand of a clock. You have to take your hands like this. You have to make an imaginary clock like this. Now this is the beginner level. You're just going to go halfway and then come back again like this. Now let's do it from the other side. This actually works wonders for those who have a hanging belly, who have absolutely troublesome side belly fat and upper belly fat, lower belly fat. This targets the entire central and the side belly area. So this is just perfect. Let's do the beginner friendly level together to at least 20 or 30 counts. essence of any exercise and the proper use of any exercise is only if you can master it. So if you've mastered the beginner friendly level, let's move on and graduate to the advanced level, for which again it's very, very simple. You do have to practice hands over clock. For that, again, you have to make a full clock. This time there's no stopping. You're going to go from one end to the other and then go back again. Complete one circle. I'm sure you've understood this. Now let's do it together. Also, if you feel this very level is slightly more advanced for you, you can actually take support of a wall. You can stand against a wall and then do this very exercise so you don't fall forwards or backwards. Well done. Welcome to the second very move which you're going to learn. For this, you have to sit on the floor, get yourself a mat or just sit on a clean floor. Here you have to spread your leg wider than your shoulder level, and now you're just going to touch one leg and try and touch your head down to your knee. We are going to do one leg at a time, and this is the beginner level. If you can master this, trust me, you're sure going to see results. Let's do it together. When we go down, we have to exhale. When we come up, we have to inhale. Well done. So proud of you. Now for the advanced level of this very exercise, you're going to rotate from one side to the other. Go back like this. Then first we're going to do clockwise, then we're going to do anti-clockwise, and you're sure going to feel all the strain around this very area. This is such a good exercise for those who have a hanging belly, for the side belly fat, for the upper belly fat. You know, often you wear something tight and you want to look really lean, but you're not able to because this very area is the troublesome area. This exercise will sort that out. Let's do it together. You have to exhale when you're going from one end to the other, then inhale, then again exhale like this. Let's do it together. Again, if you feel this is a bit too advanced for you, you can take the support of a wall. There's no problem at all. But make sure when you're taking the support of the wall, because you will not be able to go backwards all the way. So that will be the intermediate level and not the advanced level. For the advanced level, you have to come forward all the way, then backward all the way and go to each side. Now let's do it the other way round. So these were the 2 simple exercises which you can literally do just for 2 minutes every day and definitely see great results. But what I tell you is not to just do it for 2 minutes, do it morning, afternoon and evening. You're sure to see results. And what else you have to do is you have to follow clean eating, healthy eating, make fresh meals at home and try to eat absolutely a high protein diet with a low carb diet. That's actually going to give you amazing results. But the food that you eat should not be very salty, less sodium, less sweet and absolutely fresh meals a day. But if you need proper guidance, proper knowledge of how to go about so you can see amazing results and transform yourself, then you can surely join my weight loss program, which is a paid customized diet plan which you will be getting in the comfort of your own home, which will be totally customized and tailored according to your daily needs, your preferences, your likes, your dislikes, and also keeping in mind your work timings. So if you're looking forward to it, just click on the link below and try and get in touch with me. Also, I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. If you think this video was fun, informative, and definitely you're going to try it out, then do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll see you next week.